CTE works for me.
What excites me about the business program is making connections with people, learning how to be a business person.
It's a very engaging and fun program. You get to learn different business skills, but also get to learn how to deal with your peers.
How to run a business.
How to budget your money.
How to help someone run a business.
How to market, how to do accounting work.
It gives you a lot of opportunities, and I think it gets me ready for the future.
It just sets you up for your future.
In the future, I would like to work for a Fortune 500 company, so we got to work with Deloitte.
At Deloitte, we were using AI to solve a business problem.
We got to actually have our opinions be heard.
It just sets me up for success in the future.
This program will help me with my future because it teaches me how to network and really see real world stuff.
A lot of the stuff I learn, I bring into my real life, especially with my job.
A good candidate for this program is someone who shows leadership, shows enthusiasm towards business and towards learning.
Someone who shows good qualities and who's ready to work.
Someone who's open-minded.
To whoever's joining this program, just know that it's very fun. You get to have a lot of activities to engage in.
If you're considering this program, just stay open to your opportunities.
I hope that you take the first step, which is joining the program, and then after that, it'll all come easy.
You get to actually connect with a lot of people, and it's really empowering.
Start now and learn about business and finance.
CTE works for me.